Wash, 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 wash your hands. Now they shine so bright. Bye-bye germs, wave goodbye. Clean hands feel just right. Wash.
Oh, hello, little friends. Today we're going to meet some teeny tiny ings. You can't see them? You can't hear them? But they are everywhere. They are called germs. Germs are very, very tiny. So tiny. They go zoom. Germs like to hide. They hide on hands, on toys, on tables, even on noses. Let's say it. Sneaky germs. Oh, look! Here come the sneaky germs. They wiggle. They giggle. They jump around. Hee-hee, we like dirty hands. Oh no, germs. We don't want you to stay. Let's tell them. Go away, germs. Great job. When we play, when we touch toys, when we rub our nose, germs jump on our hands. Boing, boing! Uh-oh, what do? We wash our hands. Hands up, hands down.
Your hands tempo slow, medium, happy, calm, and partying. Style simple, nursery rhyme. Wash, 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 wash your hands nice and clean today. Soap and water, scrub a dub, germs go far away. Rub the palms, rub the backs, fingers in between. Round and scrub, 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 hands are squeaky clean.
Wash, wash, wash your hands, scrub them nice and clean. Times we cough, sometimes we sneeze. Achoo! Oh, germs fly out. What do? We cover our mouth, we cover our nose with our elbow like this. Great job, little helpers. Clean hands help our body feel good. Clean hands help us play. Let's check hands. When you got it, are they clean? Yes, they shine. The germs are gone. The body is happy. Let's remember, germs are tiny. Germs are sneaky, but we are smart. Wash our hands. We cover our cough. We keep our body clean. Goodbye to the germs. Bye-bye. Sneaky germs. Hey, little learners. Next time.